Hey everyone, and welcome to GitHub Changelog, where we bring you the latest feature updates and major version releases. Last year we launched the GitHub CLI, and since its launch there have been a number of changes. On the last changelog video, we talked about editing issues and PRs. With the new updates, we've also enabled support for viewing comments on issues and pull requests, and adding new comments. If you type ghIssueView in your terminal, you'll see a preview of the comments for that issue. Type ghIssueComment to see all the comments from a particular issue. The newest comment is shown at the bottom. You can add a comment to the issue by typing ghIssueComment and entering the issue number, followed by the comment you want to add. Now you never have to leave your terminal. Tune into the next changelog video for more CLI updates. If you haven't tried out the GitHub CLI, download it today and bring GitHub to your terminal. Thank you all for watching, and tune in again next time for more great updates.